How to make a group call on Telegram. First of all, go ahead and open up the Telegram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any group chat from here. Go to the top right corner and tap on the group profile. Here, tap on Video Chat as shown. Then, select Start Video Call. You have now started a group video call in this group. You can tap on Add Member to add more members to this call. Tap on Unmute below to unmute the call. Tap on the Leave button on the bottom right if you want to end the call. Then, tap on End Video Chat. Tap on End again to confirm. You can repeat this to make more group calls on Telegram. Following these steps, you can easily make a group call on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.